Camping used to grow in popularity as more outdoor enthusiasts seek affordable and reliable gear. While mechanical keyboards are popular among gamers for precision and build quality, campers look for similar value in tents, durability, weather. List number: UNP tent, 6-person, waterproof, windproof, easy setup, double-layer family camping. Though designed as a 6-person tent, the UNP double-layer tent provides exceptional space and weather protection, making it a great choice for 2 people who want extra room for gear. Featuring 185T polyester fabric with a PU 1000mm waterproof rating, it ensures dryness during heavy rain. The double-layer structure and excellent ventilation reduce condensation buildup, while fiberglass poles provide stability in windy conditions. Easy to set up and pack, it's ideal for campers seeking durability and comfort. List number 2. 4-person easy pop-up tent, waterproof, automatic setup, 2 doors. This 4-person pop-up tent offers an incredibly fast setup, unfolding in seconds, making it perfect for beginners or spontaneous trips. Its waterproof fabric and taped seams protect against light rain, while 2 doors allow for easy access and improved airflow. For 2 campers, this tent provides ample interior space and storage room. Lightweight and portable, it packs down conveniently, making it a top choice for those prioritizing speed and simplicity in their camping gear. List number 3. 4-set camping tent, 2-3-4-person, professional, waterproof. The 4-set camping tent is purpose-built for durability and weather resistance. Made with 210T polyester and a PU 3000mm waterproof coating, it ensures reliable performance in harsh outdoor conditions. The high-quality aluminum poles provide excellent stability, and its double-door design promotes airflow while preventing condensation. For 2 people, the tent offers enough room to sleep comfortably with space for essential gear. Easy assembly, compact packing, and professional-grade features make this a standout choice under 10. List number 4. 4-set tent for 2 and 3-person is waterproof and windproof. Another excellent option from 4-set. This 2-3-person tent is designed with PU 3000mm waterproof protection, reinforced seams, and windproof construction for added durability. Its ventilation windows and mesh panels help keep air circulating, reducing moisture buildup. Lightweight yet sturdy, it packs down small for backpacking trips. The quick setup system makes it ideal for both beginners and experienced campers, and at under $100, it delivers impressive value for quality-conscious adventurers. List number: Amazon Basics Camping Tent, 3-season dome design with rainfly. The Amazon Basics Dome Tent offers an affordable yet reliable solution for 2-person camping. Designed for 3-season use, it includes a removable rainfly for added weather protection and a cool air venting system to reduce heat and moisture buildup. Its dome shape provides stability against wind, while the shot-corded poles simplify setup. Compact and lightweight, this tent is perfect for casual camping trips, weekend getaways, or beginners seeking a budget-friendly option.